Hi guys, welcome to your lesson about ordering numbers to 100. In this lesson, you are going to understand how to order numbers in an ascending order and order numbers according to a descending order. You are also going to learn about how to decide which one has more value or which number has the least value. So which is more and which is less. Let's get started. Okay, ascending, the word ascending means going up. So when we're talking about numbers and putting them into ascending order, it means from smallest to biggest. Okay, so let's look at these numbers we have here and put them into ascending order. So we've got to find the smallest number first. Is it 12, 58, 71, 34, or 17? It's the number 12. So in 12, we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Now let's look for the next number. Would it be 58, 71, 34, or 17? So looking at the tens column is our clue. So which one has the smallest number in the tens column? That's right, it's 17. So 17 would come next. Okay, what would come next? We have 58, 71, or 34. Our little clue is look at the tens column. Which one has the smallest number in the tens column? This one here, 34, so that would come next. All right, we've got two more numbers, 58 and 71. Which one would come next? Look at the tens column. Which one has the smallest number in the tens column? This one here, 58. So we would move that. That would come next. And then, of course, 71 at the top. So we have put these numbers into ascending order. All right, now let's check out what descending order is. I wonder if you can guess. Ascending means going up, so descending means going down. So we're going from biggest to smallest. Okay, let's put these in descending order. So biggest to smallest. 57, 14, 12, 28, and 41 are my numbers that I'm working with. I've got to find the biggest number first. Let's look at the clue in the tens column. Which one of these numbers here has the biggest number in the tens column? 5, there it is. So that would come first in descending order. Remember, we're working this way, going from biggest to smallest this time. Okay, looking again at these numbers, which one has the next biggest number in the tens column? We've got 1, 10, 2 tens, or 4 tens. 41, that's right, that would come next. Okay, looking at our 3 remaining numbers, which one has the biggest number in the tens column? Remembering that's our little clue. 28, well done. And looking at our last 2 numbers, 14 and 12, which number would come next? Which number out of these 2 is the biggest? 14, well done, because it's got a bigger number in the ones column. Because the first 2 numbers were the same, so we look at the second number in the ones column to help us out with that. And then, of course, 12 would come next. So descending order, we have 57, 41, 28, 14, and then 12. So it's going from biggest number to smallest number. So just to recap, ascending means smallest to biggest, descending means biggest to smallest. All right, now let's investigate a little bit closer at figuring out which number has more value than another number. Okay, so looking at this set of numbers here, which is the bigger number? I'm going to show you how you would figure that out. So before I was talking about a little clue. We look at the tens column when we're working with 2-digit numbers, and that's the quickest way to see which is the biggest number what number that has more value. So if I've got 34, 58, 17, let's look at the tens column. So in this one there's 3, in this one there's 5 tens, and in this one there's 1 10. So just looking at those numbers in the tens column, which number is the bigger number? Which number has more value? It's 58. That's right, because 5 is bigger than 3 and 17 and 1. Now let's apply that the other way to figure out which number is the smaller number. So the numbers I have are 60, 34 and 23. Again, remember when we're working with two-digit numbers, we look at the number in the tens column to help us figure it out. We're looking, remember, for the smaller number this time. So in this number there's 6 tens, in this number there's 3 tens, and in this number there's 2 tens. So which one of those is smaller? Is it 6, 3, or 2? 2. So 23 is our smaller number. This number has less value than the others. Okay guys, head back on over to the wiki to check out what your practice tasks are.